Hi there. Today, we will be unboxing Blox the Learning Train. This educational toy promises a fun way to teach kids concepts such as counting, letters, and shapes. The packaging is colorful and eye-catching, with pictures of the train and its building blocks. Opening the box, we can see that the toy is made of high-quality plastic materials, and it comes with a booklet with easy-to-follow instructions for assembly. Once assembled, the train can move forward and back, and it has stackable blocks that are perfect for sorting and counting exercises. The toy also has flashing lights and musical sounds that are sure to keep kids interested and engaged. Overall, we think that Blox the Learning Train could be an excellent tool for parents and educators who want to supplement their child's learning in a fun and interactive way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more toy reviews and educational content.